motion, it's the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
All right, what's going on, everybody? Today we got a review. You already seen OnFeet of the, I guess it's just gonna be the EQLZ 247s. These are supposed to be top line hooping sneakers. I got my man Fabian in the building, man. So this is actually his pair. He's blessing me today to be able to review them for you guys. So any quality wise or anything, questions like that, we're gonna make sure we go to him. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button before we do that. So we're gonna start with the box. So we have just basically, this is like a Yeezy box, to be honest with you. You just got your brown box with your black EQLZ. You have the label right here that shows the actual sneaker. It's all in Japanese, pretty much. No colorway on the box. The sizing is 11.5, and he said that they do fit true to size. We're gonna open up the box. Folds out like this. And then you have the paper that has the branding on it. Comes with this little sticker. Ain't nothing in English, man. It's all in Japanese, bro. Everything is, and that's pretty much it. That's for the box. We're gonna put this to the side over here. All right, I'm gonna give him this one. We got this one here. So this is a sneaker. As you guys seen what they look like on feet. Now, as far as sizing, how do they fit? Do they fit? Do they fit good, Fade?
They fit good.
All right,
especially me being a wide footer, it's very hard to get a good fit on a shoe, especially a basketball shoe. But,
so he went true to size. His size is 11.5. A lot of times, that's my size too, but a lot of times in hooping shoes, I tend to go size 12, but he did go 11 and a half, says it's fit perfectly. So make sure you guys take note to that. So the first thing I notice about these sneakers is gonna be that little sock up at the top. When you put this on, is this a tight fit, or does it feel comfortable?
It feels comfortable. It's not where it's like cutting your circulation tight. It's like fits real snug, but it's comfortable. So
as you guys can see, man, that it looks like it is real thick material, feels real thick. Way better than those Yeezy Pod things. I will tell you guys that you got the branding right back there. And then I've had a lot of people since I posted my short say that these look like AEs. Now this is a very hard material. It's not soft. So as you guys can see right here, but this right here, the upper is more like a Yeezy Quantum in my opinion. So this is a fabric, but it looks like it's, as I feel in the inside of it, it feels like it has a sock up under it also. So don't think it's gonna puncture or anything like that, because I do feel like it is supported, as you can see behind the holes there. One set of laces came with these things, as you guys can see. And the insole is a drop insole right there, pulled right out. Has the branding on the back of there. Only paper came in the sneaker was this. That's it. But as you guys see on the screen, as I showed it on feet again, so Fabian, tell me, as they're on your feet, what are you thinking?
I feel it's good quality. I mean, I feel it could withstand indoor and outdoor. Obviously indoors, I mean, anything withstand indoors, but outdoor, I think it could last pretty good. I mean, the only thing I've seen on other reviewers that, very minimal reviewers on this shoe, is that the lacing, if you lace them up too tight, that it can be a little painful on the top of your foot if you don't lace them the right way.
Gotcha.
That's what I heard from some reviewer.
So as we come back to the bottom of the sneaker, you see it's got some funky looking trading on there, but I could see where this could actually grip pretty good. I ain't did no grip test or nothing like that, pause. But it does seem like that the material on it is made pretty well. Who was the guy that created these? Aaron Cooper?
Yeah.
Aaron Cooper, I guess he used to be with Nike, did a lot of stuff with Jordan Brand, stuff like that. I didn't do my education on these things. All I know is that these are the sneakers, and y'all let me know. I know a lot of people say they're gonna wear these things lifestyle. Hey, how long did it take you to get these things?
About 3 weeks maybe.
So 3 weeks, and he's still waiting on the white and black pair, so I will show you guys those as well. But true to size, good indoor outdoor sneaker. So I'm gonna encourage you guys that if y'all want a good hooping sneaker, to actually go and cop these things. What was the retail for them?
$150.
$150. So that's not bad, man. $150 for a decent sneaker. Like I said, give me AE vibes and Yeezy vibes. So definitely not a bad sneaker. But that is it for the EQLZ 247s, man. Y'all let me know. I'll put the link down in the description section if you guys want to purchase them. I think it's on a waiting list right now, so good luck trying to cop them. But like I said, we will have the white and black pair for you as well. But hey, that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the saying, it's rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got two, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.